Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today got a fun one for you. That's right guys, it is Friday, and when it is Friday, it is hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. So we got some crypto swag here that we are here to talk with you guys about. We are very excited about this. We know it's a little bit late in the day, but as always guys, you know in the description down below we'll have links to everything so you guys can check out some of our other hashtag Crypto Swag adventures, our videos. Make sure you guys follow the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscription icon in the upper right hand corner. You better do that. The reason you got to do that is we're going to start doing some giveaways coming up here, so you want to be followed our channel for that and all of our other great mining content. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. It is hashtag Crypto Swag Friday.
Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner. Thanks for stopping in. Let's go for a ride.
All right, like we said, first things first, in the description down below we'll have links to everything. You guys can see here we do have our Savage Raven coin short. This is the Wordcloud type shirt here. We've got this one, as well as we're just really supporting Savagemine today. We got that hat on there. In the description down below you can head over to DOGELORDapparel.com so you can check both of these out. Let's go ahead real quick while we got you here. And we are going to go ahead and give you a quick model of this. You guys know we love to do this. So this is the Raven Coin Wordcloud shirt. Love this thing. It's a soft shirt, but all the different words that are up in here, we'll go ahead and let you guys see this a little bit better. I'll stand here for just a second so you guys can see that. But yeah, all the different names that are woven into this. Also, we got that lid here, that Savagemine lid. You guys know I'm a big fan of the community. I love to support the community. So a couple things I need you to do. If you're over on Twitter, please retweet hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. Let me know what crypto swag you have, where your favorite place to get it, so I can display it. Also, if you're commenting down, or if you're seeing this on the YouTube video, comment down below. Let us know where we can get your swag or anyone else's swag that you guys love. We love hashtag Crypto Swag. That's someone calling right now to talk hashtag Crypto Swag. That's how amazing hashtag Crypto Swag Friday is. So let's see if we can figure out how to get us back here. We can, maybe, maybe not. We are gone. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Figure out how to learn your stream deck, Wes. Come on now. So we're going to wrap up hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. We got Tim over here. He's laughing his ass off. He says, "You are an idiot, man. Learn how to use your stuff." We're having a lot of fun, though. That's what's important, guys. When you do what you love what you do, you have fun. And I say that every day of the week. Do what you do, have fun, make the day great, make your day great. We're going to wrap up hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. Like I said, supporting Savagemine today. But if you love that Raven coin, head over to DOGELORD Apparel, pick that up. If you like this lid, there's a lot of other lids you can get over there on DOGELORD Apparel. All sorts of fun shenanigans over here. Oh, by the way, lots of fun stuff coming ahead with Crypto Swag Friday. Like we said, we're going to do some giveaways. We're going to give you some good things with DOGELORD Apparel. And we can't wait to get our own apparel launched, guys. Been working with the team on that. It's taking some time to get things wrapped up, but we can't wait. This has been hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. And my name's Wes, not your normal miner. Thanks, guys.